In this next video, I'm going to show you how to create a clickable link or a clickable picture in a actual class, and then I'm going to show you how to do it with the drag and drop designer. There's a couple ways you can do it, and so let's jump in and get started here. So I've got an online class set up, and this is going to be same for like a course. Like if you're going to put a clickable link on your main course page, information right underneath your big picture, this is going to be the same thing. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and upload this picture right here. I'm just going to upload that, let it do its thing, let it load up. You know, just like I explained before in a previous video, you can change the title of this if you want to. You can change the alt text, that's for SEO, searchable, more searchable for search engines. Anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and put it in there. So you can change the size of it right here. So I know this picture is really big, and I know I don't want it that big. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick that, and then insert. So there you go, you have it there. You can see the picture. It's something I created in Photoshop. There's, you know, it's white. You can change where this sits, all that great stuff. So if I want to make this clickable, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that's highlighted. Then I'm going to come right up here and do insert link. Okay, so this is where you're going to put your link right here, and basically right now it's linking to itself, but we want it to link to somewhere else. So if I just wanted it to go to, you know, the Oil Academy, now the only other option you have is to either make this, you can make it open up in a new window or new tab, or just make it open itself, and that's all you need to do right there. So now this is actually clickable. It'll take you wherever. So if you had text, so let's say you had some text, click here. Same thing, we can go here, we can, you know, make this bold, make it bigger, put it in the middle, put it wherever you want. You can change the color. Let's make it green. Okay, but this is the same thing, guys. You're gonna highlight it, make sure it's highlighted, go right up here, put your URL right there, HTTP, HTTP, and then your .com, wherever it's gonna link, and also again you have the option to open it in a new tab. So that's basically it. That's how you make something clickable. You can do a picture or text. So let's go ahead and look at a actual page and use the drag and drop designer to make something clickable. So like I said, guys, you can only use the drag and drop designer with a page, and you know, there's a lot of options here, but this is just you know, this is just one of the templates that I snagged here. So we can do a couple things. So you can drag an image over. We can do the exact same thing like I just did. Insert the picture. Look, there it is. If you click on it, you're going to be looking for the same exact thing. There's the link icon right there. And you know what? It looks exactly the same. So put your URL in there and open it in a new window. Don't worry about no follow. It's no big deal. Okay, so that's one option. We can do the same thing with text. So we know we can bring in a text element here. Drag and drop that. Click here. Alright, we're gonna do the same thing. Let's make it bold, center. Let's make it bigger here. Font size 50. Okay, so there it is, right? So same thing. You want to highlight it right there, and then put your URL right in there. So then that's gonna be clickable. You can move those all around. So there's another way you can do this, and it's really cool. The drag and drop designer gives us this ability here. It is a call to action right here. So there's a couple things you can add. This is really cool. So there's a bunch of styles. So let's just go ahead and with the style 1, you just grab it, drag it over till it's green, plop it in there. Look, okay, so it gave us this really cool box right here. We can change this text, and there's a button that we can change. So you want to make sure that you're in the big box. Click on this, and we can put a link. So that's the call to action button. You know, put your link there. You can test the link, but that's where that link is going to be. So then if we want to, we can say, if it's, you know, we don't want buy now. So if we want to change the text right here, it just says buy now, we just delete this and say click here. Obviously, guys, if you want to do a call to action or something, it doesn't have to say click here. I mean, it's, you know, easy for people to understand, but that's how you do it. And then, you know, let's just check out another really quick call to action. Let's do number 2 and see what that looks like. So we'll throw this in here. Number 2 looks pretty cool. Nice arrow. Obviously, you can get rid of text there. And, but the same thing, make sure the red box is highlighted, and then you can put the link, and then this will be the link right here. So, all right, guys, good luck with creating your clickable links.